Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I would like to present about Pecha Kucha. My Pecha Kucha is about Indonesian. Okay, we continue. The capital city of Indonesia now is Jakarta, but many issue that say the capital city Indonesia will move to IKN in Kalimantan, but I don't know when the capital city will move. Now, capital city Indonesia is still in Jakarta. Jakarta is a crowded city that many people work in Jakarta. Okay, we continue to the national flag of Indonesia. This is the flag of Indonesia. There is two color, that is red and then white. The national flag in Indonesia is many in no in how to say, like office in PT-PT like that. Okay, we continue again about President of Indonesia. The President of Indonesia is Prabowo Subianto. Now he is the new President of Indonesia after Joko Widodo. And then the Vice President of Indonesia is Gibran Rakabuming, but I not put in here because there is no picture that good. Yes. Okay. He is new president that independence, Indonesian independence was read by Presiden Soekarno on 17 August 1945 at his house at Jakarta. This is Soekarno is reading a proclamation text in his home. Okay. We continue again to the currency use. Indonesia is using currency. The name is rupiah. In rupiah, this is 100,000, or we call it is cepek. And then in here there is 50,000. In Indonesia is called gocap. And then in here there is 10,000. In Indonesia is called ceban. And then 5,000 in Indonesia is called goceng, like that. Okay. We continue again in the culture of Indonesia. Indonesia have a lot of culture that in here I just want explain one of culture in Indonesia, that is about wayang. Wayang is a traditional culture from Indonesia that performing art, especially from Java. And then wayang is developed in the island of Java and Bali, and wayang is the word come from the Javanese word meaning shadow, like that. Okay, we continue again to the typical food in Indonesia. Indonesia have many typical food, but in here I just put two, like nasi liwet from Solo and then gudeg from Yogyakarta. In nasi liwet there is a rice, also there is egg, and then chicken and beverage, and then vegetable, and then there is a gudeg. In gudeg is have egg and then rice and then others. Okay, we continue again to the typical drink of Indonesia. There is a dawet from Ponorogo, and then wedang uwu from Yogyakarta. Dawet is contain from brown sugar and then cendol that mix into one drink. And then the wedang uwu This is a herbal drink from Yogyakarta. It's good if served on hot water using rock sugar. Okay, we continue again to the tourism place in Indonesia. Indonesia have many like Lombok, and then Bali, Labuan Bajo, Yogyakarta, Malang. In here there is two, Bali and Yogyakarta. Bali is like tourism place that have a good nature on there. So many tourists from other country comes into Bali. And then Yogyakarta. Yogyakarta is a good city that there is a Malioboro. Malioboro is like a place that many people walk on there, then selling something on there. Yogyakarta is also many tourists from other country come to Yogyakarta. And then traditional cloth from Indonesia. Traditional cloth from Indonesia is many, kebaya, and then Ulay Balang from Aceh, and then Jawi Jangkep from Central Java. In here there is Ulay Balang from Aceh. This is the traditional cloth from Aceh, and then there is Jawi Jangkep from Central Java. Traditional cloth in Indonesia is cloth that maybe many people wedding using traditional cloth. And then top university in Indonesia. I have put two top university in Indonesia that I think there is ITB Bandung that have a good education on there, and then UI in Depok. And there is many also UGM, and then Undip or BINUS like that. So we continue to the famous place in Indonesia. That is Candi Prambanan is a famous place that many tourists come in here for see the Prambanan because there is story in the back of Prambanan. Okay, we continue again to the famous product that Indonesia sell is Indomie. Indomie is the famous product in Indonesia, and then in the other country there is Indomie also. In here there is the picture Indomie mie goreng or noodle, and then this is Indomie soto. Okay. We continue again to the movie and cartoon. Indonesia also have many movie and good cartoon that Indonesia made. In here I just put two. This is the newest film, movie, and cartoon from Indonesia. The first is Jumbo. Jumbo is Indonesian animation, the fantasy adventure that directed by Rian Ardiandi. And then the second is Pabrik Gula. This is an Indonesian horror movie film that directed by Awi Suryadi, based on a viral story. Okay, we continue again to the actress and actor. There is many actor in Indonesia, and then there is Andre Taulani. Andre Taulani is a comedian that his people is there is on TV show and then on YouTube like that. And then there is Denny Sumargo, or he famous called basket sombong. Okay, yes, Denny Sumargo is actress. Before he is a basketball player, the good basketball player in Indonesia. Now he is actress on television, and then he have YouTube that many video on there, podcast, sport like that. Okay, we continue again to the famous Ustad. In here, there is Ustad Khalid Basalamah. This is a good Ustad that is many people see his education. And then there is Ustadz Syafiq Basalam also. He is a good ustad in Indonesian. And then we continue to the public transportation in Indonesia. Indonesia have many public transportation like Transjakarta and then KRL, Komuter Line. Transjakarta is in Jakarta that will go around city in Jakarta, and then there is a Komuter Line. This Komuter Line have many route in Indonesia from Jakarta to Bogor and then from Bekasi to Tangerang, like that. Okay, we continue to Indonesian car. Indonesian have a car that Indonesia make. There is Selo. Selo is electric car from Indonesia that millennial make. The name is I forgot, Ricky or what? Yes, this is good, but there is many people not like this car because I think the price is expensive. And then weather and season in Indonesia. Indonesia have two season. There is a rainy season and then dry season. This is rainy season. The situation of toll gate in Malang rain, and then this is the dry season. Okay, we continue again to the animal and plant. Indonesia have many animal also like harimau Sumatera and then jalak Bali from Bali. This is a bird from Bali, and then there is a plant is Rafflesia arnoldi from Sumatera and Kalimantan. Okay, and then famous sport in Indonesia. Indonesia have I think two famous sport in here. The first is football. And then the second is badminton. Indonesia have many good athletes in badminton, and then Indonesia have many reward that's international from badminton. If other sport, Indonesia is just many people like it, but not get reward. Okay, I think that's all from me. Sorry if I have many mistakes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.